Hey there, Mr. Chu here. Let's talk about some more SAT review problems. I'm working in Module 4 now. This is problems 4, 5, and 6. So let's get to it. So I have already completed all 27 problems from Modules 1, 3, and I'm working on 4 now. Just going right up the list. These review module problems for the SAT, and each one of them has 27 problems when they're complete. 1, 2, and 3 are already available, and I'm working on 4 now. These practice problems were released by the College Board for review for the SAT. They're good review also for the ACT and the ASVAB. Some will be easy, some will be hard, and they all require you to understand algebra, geometry, and other math classes you took when you were in high school getting ready for the SAT. The topics vary from question to question. They're listed in the order that they come in the module. Like this video if it's helpful. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and X. I have lots of videos. I got puppy videos, and I make announcements about upcoming events that may help you in your math studies. Here is the long link to my YouTube channel, and there are other places you can subscribe. So please subscribe at this time if you have not yet done it. If you need to send me any correspondence, I have an email address where you can ask math questions at askmrchu@gmail.com. So let's get to it now. So make sure that you pause these questions, grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and try them on your own and see if you can do all 3 of these problems correctly. So number 4 is multiple choice. 3 more than 8 times the number x is equal to 83. Which equation represents this situation? Writing an equation will be very important on the SAT. So it gives you 4 choices here. So pause it now, pick the correct one, and I will work it whenever you start the video back up. So let's translate the words into math. That's an important skill. 3 more means add 3. So I can write that as 3 plus. 8 times the number x means 8x, or 8 times x. Equal to 83 just means you put an equal sign 83. Now let's put them all together and write an equation. So 3 plus, we're adding 3 more than 8 times x, 8x equals 83. But as you can see, none of them look exactly like that. So we can rewrite it using a property that you should have been taught in your algebra class called the commutative property of addition, which means you can add in any order. So I can take the 3 plus 8x and rewrite it as 8x plus 3. And as you can see here, that is choice D. Hopefully you were able to get choice D there. Now let's move on to number 5. A little bit longer problem now, so let's just read through it first, and then you can pause it and work it out. Hannah deposited a fixed amount of money into her bank account each month. The function f of t equals 100 plus 25t gives the amount in dollars in Hannah's bank account after t monthly deposits. What's the best interpretation of 25 in this context? So what does that number 25 mean in this function and in this word situation? So here's A, B, C, and D, and we're going to work backwards and try each one after we talk about what is given first. So we know that T equals the number of monthly deposits. It's really the total from the monthly deposits. In the equation, f of t equals 100 plus 25. The coefficient of t is 25. There's a t here that was left out here. The coefficient of t is 25. So coefficient means the number in front of a variable. And that's going to be important in this case. So as each increase in the value of t by 1, so when t goes up each time, The value of f of t equals, it will increase by 25. What does that mean? So if t is 1, then it's just going to be 25 times 1 plus 100. If t is 2, 25 times 2 plus 100. If t is 3, 25 times 3 plus 100. So each time as t goes up, that's what I just said in that statement, it means that the total amount of money they have increases by 25. Therefore, with each monthly deposit, the amount in her bank account increases $25 each time. This constant increase is something that you studied in your algebra class called slope, or a constant rate of change. It's constant. It's going to keep going as t increases. Which answer works, starting from D and working backwards? Hannah made a total of 25 monthly deposits. That's not what it's saying. It's saying it's going up by 25, right? So D's not it. After one monthly deposit, the amount in Hannah's bank account was 25. That's not true because you have 100 plus after one. That would be 125 after one. B, before Hannah made any monthly deposits, the amount in her bank account was 25. Nope, she started out with 100. And then A, with each monthly deposit, the amount in Hannah's bank account increased by 25. That is the correct answer because it is a constant rate of change. Hopefully you're able to get A as your answer. Now let's go into the last one in today's video. Number 6, make sure you pause it after I read it to work it out on a piece of paper. A customer spent $27 to purchase oranges at $3 per pound. How many pounds of oranges did the customer purchase? Please pause it at this time, work it, and then I will talk about it after you start the video back up. We're going to use a conversion factor to figure out how many pounds of oranges that the customer bought with that amount of money. So the conversion factor in this case, it says that 1 pound equals $3. See how it says purchase oranges $3 per pound. So 1 pound equals $3. So I can write this as a ratio, 1 pound over $3. And we know, how much did this customer purchase? She purchased $27 worth, okay? So I'm going to multiply the amount spent by that conversion factor. But I put 27 over 1 times the conversion factor, 1 pound over $3. Now look what happens here. The dollar signs cancel. I'm going to just put a little blue line through them. And then the 3 will cancel into 3. And I get a 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 will go into 27. That makes that a common factor 9 times. So I've got 9 times 1 pound over 1, which means that she was able to purchase 9 pounds. So customer purchased 9 pounds. That is the answer. All right. So follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and X for helpful math videos and to learn about upcoming events, including future weekly Zoom tutoring sessions. So what's going to happen? In the next couple of months, I'm going to set up where I can have once per week a Zoom session to help students. A link to all the playlists for modules 1 to 6 SAT review videos available on my YouTube channel. I've already got modules 1, 2, 3 complete, working in 4 now, and I'll continue and then go to 5 and go to 6 until I get them all done. It costs nothing for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and here is a long link. There are also links in various places that you can click on to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. Do it now. All right, my contact information, if you want to contact me, ask me a question, send me a request for a video, then please just go to askmrchu@gmail.com. Help me spread the word. Mr. Chu wants to help students with math questions. I want to use my videos to help you understand. I talk a lot about algebra and I call my videos in my curriculum for algebra Bear Algebra. That's named after my 12-year-old, soon to be 13-year-old Peekapoo. He has a birthday in actually a week and 1 day, in 8 days. Then I have BRAC Geometry. BRAC is my 3-year-old, 110-pound big boy. He is my big boy. He is, uh, his mom is a full-blooded Maremma, and that means that she is an Italian sheepdog. I have Tray Arithmetic, which is named after my black tomcat. And I also do some pre-algebra there. I do have a series of videos called Math Minutes with Mr. Chu. And what that means is I just do a particular topic quickly and explain it without going through any curriculum. And then I do have my SAT test prep videos like I'm doing now. I'll see you in the next video. And remember that I'm Mr. Chu and I want to help you understand math. And I'll see you in video 3 when we talk more about SAT. So check that out. It's coming soon.